I've just never seen Queensland as one of the #1 chosen states in Australia. It's always been Sydney. It's our time.
What's happened is a lot of people settled and now they're convincing friends and family to invest or move into the area with them.
So the Queensland market in 2024 has been really strong. We've seen double-digit price growth throughout the state. We have started to see that price growth moderate a little bit over the second half of the year as more properties have come to the market. So what are your reflections on 2024 and how do you think the market has performed?
The consistent interest rate staying firm has been a factor, and obviously migration with 120,000 people coming from overseas and interstate in the last 12 months.
Supply-demand imbalance, more buyers than sellers, lots of people moving to the Gold Coast, and we've still seen price growth.
And what do we all think over the next 12 months for sellers? Are things going to get easier? Is it going to get tougher? How are those conversations with sellers going to be about the depth of the market and price expectations?
Look, I think that we're going to see a little bit more stock come onto the market next year. For sellers that might just see a continuation of days on market creep out a little bit further, but I think they're going to continue to see a little bit of growth.
I'm predicting slight growth for the first half of the year and then strong growth for the back half.
What are your #1 tips for anyone looking to buy or sell this year?
#1 tip for buyers is obviously get in a position where you can make a clean contract. You'll buy cheaper. For sellers, make your property look its best it's ever been, like a dinner party, have fresh flowers, declutter.
I think this is Queensland's time to shine. It's a really exciting time for our state, and certainly with Brisbane, I truly believe that there's never a better time to buy than right now, because their strategy should be big picture thinking. The market doesn't look like it's, ever going to halt at this point.
Tip for buyers, know your numbers, be firm.
And what's your #1 bold prediction for 2025?
Bold prediction is probably a big price uptick or capital growth uptick towards the end of the year, 2025.
Prediction for 2025 is as long as we look at tidying up, cost of living, I think we're looking for really strong growth going for particularly for the next year.
My bold prediction, I think we're going to continue to see growth. There's a great opportunity for rent investors. There's certainly affordability in the regions, fantastic opportunities in North Queensland where people can get a great yield, a great return.
I think Townsville prices are up about 24% over the last year. Central Queensland, they're up about 20%. So the regions are certainly doing very well at the moment.
Townsville's my hot pick.